Hi, I'm standing here in the dark for a reason. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, it's dark and cloudy outside, and this is actually my clothes closet. It's this dark in my bedroom during most days. I do have one light switch that I can turn on here, which does brighten up the whole area, but it also will wake up my wife if I get up early in the morning. It's kind of glaring and disruptive, and then even when you open this up, I can see some of my clothes, but in the back of my closet, and even on the bottom, it's still dark. So here's my closet with lights on, here's dark, I can't see anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a simple, easy, battery-powered closet light into here for about $6. I'll show you how to do it. To build these things, all you need is first your sensor light, and these cost about $6 or so on Amazon. There are different brands. Sometimes you'll see Oria on them, but you'll also see other brands. They seem to be made in China. They're not the greatest things in the world, but they're very, very bright, and they have a movement sensor on them. So there's a $6 light. I have some rechargeable batteries. I like the EBL brand or the Amazon Basics, either one if they still have those. Okay, those are AAA batteries. And the key to this is going to be some industrial strength Velcro. You can try regular Velcro. Industrial strength Velcro will probably work a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my industrial strength Velcro, and it comes in a special box. I have a ton of this stuff hanging around. This is 4 feet by 2 inches, and that'll last you forever. I'm going to take a strip of this. Let's see here. I don't know, what, 3 or 4 inches there. I'm going to cut it in half. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is tear it apart. I got a fuzzy side and I have a hook side. I'm going to take this hook side and I'm going to cut another thinner strip of it. If you can buy your Velcro in thinner strips, that's great. But here's what I'm going to do. I take my thin strip of it and I'm going to take off that backing. I'm going to put it right over the branding in this particular case, like that. Okay, press it down, give it a second. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my other fuzzy strip, again about the same size, I cut it at the same time, and I'm going to cut that. A little gooier. I'll use the thicker piece for now. Okay, so there we go. So I have a motion sensor light. I'll put batteries in it. In a moment, I'll have a little fuzzy strip, and I have my light. And these pop open like this, and you literally put them in. Tells you how to put them in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe these batteries. I believe this is charged. You'll see how bright this is. There we go. Nice and bright. Okay, and that'll be perfect in a closet. Alright, so I'm going to pop the battery out for the moment, just to keep them from blinding me and using up energy. So now I'm going to go back to my closet. I'm going to install this. So now I'm back at my closet. This is the outside of my closet, but the inside of my closet has the exact same molding. So all I'm going to do with my light and my Velcro is I'm going to take my fuzzy part of my Velcro, put it on top of this molding, make sure it's clean, dust-free, stick this on top of the molding, take my light and stick it to that. Once it sticks there, that sensor will hang down, and every time there's any movement, the light comes on through these here, brightens the whole closet, and then 15 seconds after any motion, it goes off, and I'm out of my way. So, again, inside of the closet, get the dust out of there. Inside of the closet, I'm going to put it right in the center. Okay, I have molding up there. And here's the other thing I'm going to do. In fact, for easy placement, I'm going to open my light back up, put my battery back in. So now I'm nice and bright. So now I can kind of hold it and I can see what I'm lighting up. So here's what I'm going to do. Take the back of this sticky Velcro off. Stick it very lightly to the light. Just okay, goes off. And I'm going to stick it back up there. Right where I want it. I'll stick it on top of my molding and I press it down. And there we go. This is now my closet when it's dark outside. I have a motion light up here that automatically comes on whenever I wave my hand or even open the closet. It's just detecting light changes or movement. So there we go. Now I can grab all my stuff out of here, walk away, close my closet doors, and the light will go off. So here I am in my dark closet. It's early in the morning. I want to grab a shirt without waking up my wife. Open the closet doors, light comes on, grab what I need, and leave. This will of course work anywhere. Here's a coat closet. Same idea. It's kind of dark, kind of a gray day. Open this up. Aha! I have a light. The light shines down so I can see all the coats. The light is right here. Held up with Velcro. I pull it down when I need to. Replace the batteries about once every 4, 5, 6 weeks, depending upon the closet. I have my Velcro strips up there, my fuzzy strip right on the other side of the molding, and I just stick it back up there. And because it's industrial strength, it'll stay fine. I also have, I've also put a strip down in the bottom for the shoes. So here I am in my daughter's room. Same idea, cloudy day, dark out. I did the same thing in her closet. Lights up the entire thing. She's got shelves and an organizer closet. And I want to show you, if you want to change the battery in these things, you just un-Velcro them. That's why you use Velcro, so you can take them off, pop the end of the batteries off, put new batteries in, and put it back up there. What I sometimes do is I'll ask my kids, or my kids will tell me in the morning, hey Dad, my light's almost out. I'll say, okay, fine. Before I go to work, I'll pop the batteries out, throw them in a charger, come back from work, take the batteries out, put it back up here, and by that evening, their light, where is it? Right there. Their light is working again, and they have light in their closet without any problem. And there it is. So the reason you use Velcro, again, pop it on and off nice and easy. Use rechargeable batteries so that you're not spending a lot of money on batteries. You buy a couple for $10 for 4 or 5 of them, and they will last you for years, and it's so much cheaper to do it that way.